you going, guys? Welcome once again to Lockdown Performance. Today we're finally going to change the plugs on the Q45. This thing's been under the cover for a little while. Started to forget what it looks like, but yeah, today we will attempt to get the spark plugs out, check them out, and hopefully do that with ease. But I mean, on a Q45 anything's possible. So as we can see here, I'm all set up. What I might do is quickly vacuum some of the crap out of here. Don't want any dust getting inside. Close that up a bit. So we got a couple of different size extension bars. I'll try to do the easy ones first, which I shouldn't. I should really be doing the hard ones. But yeah, so I might just go that one there. I might have to go an extra one on there. Just be careful that I don't take the dipstick out. Been a little while since I changed these plugs. They're probably all fouled up because I've been mucking around with a turbo, you know. Probably all black. Where's the camera? Over here. Yeah, pretty average. Cylinder number one. This one out, fuel filter is in the way there, but that's the least of my problems. I've got the throttle body off on the other side as well, just to make it a little bit easier. There's another plug there. Yeah, they're pretty fouled up, mate. They're pretty shit house. Well, that's the way the cookie crumbles. Right, so far I have been able to do all this with my 1/2 inch socket set, which is pretty heavy duty. But yeah, normally I use the smaller one, but you know, just felt like using this one. I can because I've got plenty of room. I've cleared a few things out of the way. So here we go. Another one. Yeah, pretty ordinary. All right, now the back one, the infamous back one. Yeah, actually mightn't be so bad. Make sure it's traveling in the correct direction. Need to undo that from there. Problem with having bare hands when you're working on a freaking car that was designed never to have the spark plugs changed unless you freaking take the engine out. You know what I mean? Like, so that's the one there. That is probably the most awkward. I've got the, like I said anyway, I've got the throttle body off on the other end. Now I've just got to make sure I can get this thing out here. Yes, beautiful. There's the other one. All right, so those four are out. I'll go through here, set up, do the same thing. Sorry guys, I don't have anyone filming at the moment, so it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay. So it's not too windy at the moment, but I would recommend, if you're going to do this, like if you're going to take all the plugs out in one go, you need to cover up the holes where the plugs go. Otherwise, you know, if it's windy, you can get dust and crap in there. You don't want that. Actually, to tell you the truth, I can feel a bit of wind coming on now, so I might just go grab a couple of rags, throw them over the holes, and then I'll get started on this other side. All right, that's all sorted. So I'll have a crack at doing this side. Got heaps of room. It is so much easier with the throttle body off. You know, oh geez, that one's tight. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Right. So as soon as I get these out, we'll have a bit of a look at the other plugs that I got off eBay. See if they're any good. They should be all right. I'm not going to gap them or anything like that now. I'm just going to put them in on the whatever they're set up for, factory, because I'm not intending on running a whole heap of boost. Yeah, pretty black as well, fouled up. I'm not going to run a whole heap of boost on this engine until I get bigger injectors and a decent ECU. But yeah, it's not far off. I mean, I've got to get little things like a throttle body gasket. I'm going to leave the T66 on it for now. I'll muck around with that a little bit. I've got all the intercooler piping made up for that. Just got to chuck some fans on it, tranny cooler, a few other little bits and pieces. But I mean, it's getting there. You know, like, oh, you can only do so much as well. When you're like, I mean, the car's undercover here, which is not too bad, but if I get bad weather, normally comes in from sort of the west, southwest, and you really can't do anything on the car but just wait for it to stop raining, you know. If I face the car the other way, the problem I have there is the lack of light. Fouled up as well. So yeah, it is what it is for now. I'll just make do with what I've got, and then hopefully in the next 6 to 12 months I might move to a place with a garage, which would be a lot better. Obviously to keep you entertained while I'm doing this, you all know that Q45 is my main project. This thing as well. That I've decided that's all I want for now. I've still got the Toyota Aristo, which is for sale at the moment. So it doesn't have a transmission or engine or anything like that, but it's too good to dismantle. Yeah, for me, like when I think about all the cars, fouled. When I think of all the cars, you know, that I've got, which ones do I like? Which ones do I prefer? I prefer the Volvo and the Q45. You know what I mean? Toyota Aristo's alright, but I don't know. I think a Q45 and a Volvo 740 is much better than Aristo with a 2JZ. It doesn't have the 2J in it anyway anymore, so realistically, it doesn't have anything. It's just a freaking rolling body. Oh, okay, now I've got to get this one out. This back one's a little bit awkward because I've still got some pipe work in the way here. Get that sorted there. Nearly. I just want to get this a little bit further. She's being a bit of a pain. I don't really want to put a uni on that. Oh, I might have to. The adventures of a Q45. Yes, the universal helps, and for some funny reason that back spark plug, which is the most awkward one, is the tightest one. It's gone, but it's gone. Oh, here we go. I might actually rip that uni off so that it doesn't foul up on me while I'm trying to get the rest of this off. If you get a chance, also when you at you know, a car spare parts place, invest in some of these disposable gloves. They're awesome. You know, I'm constantly nicking myself. I was just over it, so. Here we go. Lucky last. There we go. Fouled as well. So I got myself a set of these VK20 Denso plugs. eBay special. They're the old plugs. They were NGK, sorry. Been in there probably for about 4 years, and these are the new ones. Yeah, they look like they got a decent sized gap on them. Oh, better not do that. But anyway, that's where I'm at. I'm going to flick those plugs, throw them back in the car, chuck the coils back on, do a few other things. That's where I'm at the moment. That's got to come off. Put a stainless steel gasket in there. I've got all the exhaust made up. Coils go back on. Wiring all nice and neat and tidy. I'll put this side in first because I don't have any rags across there, and the wind is picking up a bit. Yeah, the Q45, the infamous Ghetto 45. Need to get a gasket for there, and also the throttle body that I have is black with just crap all over it, so I'm going to get it vapor blasted and sort all that out, and then chuck a couple of intercooler pipes on there and a few other bits and pieces, and then yeah, we'll see how she goes. Anyway, appreciate you freaking joining in for the old Q45 continuation episode, and I'll see you later on. Hopefully it doesn't piss down rain again for 2 months, so I can't do any more videos. Anyway guys, like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and I'll catch you soon, eh? See yous.